Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this particular session we are going to talk about INECT 2021 July session cutoff rank for OBC category particularly. In the last video I had shared the closing rank for general category, and in this video we are going to talk and focus particularly on OBC category closing rank. So anesthesia last year got closed on 2613 rank. Anatomy, I'm sharing you the closing rank as well as which college was the last to get allotted for particular branch. So anesthesia got closed on 2613 for OBC category in AIIMS Bhopal. Anatomy on 6706 in AIIMS New Delhi. Biochemistry on rank of 11,630 in AIIMS New Delhi. Biophysics on rank of 17,592 in AIIMS New Delhi. Community medicine and family medicine, both are combined branch here, got closed on the rank of 13,626 in AIIMS Raipur. Dermatology, which is one of the top demanding branch, got closed on the rank of 430 for OBC in AIIMS Nagpur. Emergency medicine on rank of 1163 in AIIMS Raipur. ENT on rank of 1347 in AIIMS Bhopal. Forensic medicine and toxicology got closed on rank of 25,122 in AIIMS Patna. General medicine on rank of 431. General surgery on rank of 752. Internal medicine 153, which is the highest closing rank for OBC. If you look at radio diagnosis, it got closed on rank of 273 in AIIMS Patna. Psychiatry on rank of 2724 in AIIMS Patna. Physiology up to 32,418, that was the farthest rank for any branch in OBC category. So this cutoff is including first round, second round, open round and a stray vacancy round. Physical medicine and rehabilitation had the closing rank of 16,754 in AIIMS Raipur. Pharmacology up to rank of 29,157 in AIIMS Nagpur. Pathology and laboratory medicine up to rank of 9,200 in AIIMS Raipur. Palliative medicine in AIIMS Delhi up to rank of 1,883. Pediatrics in AIIMS Patna up to rank of 394. Orthopedics up to rank of 376 in AIIMS Jodhpur. Ophthalmology up to rank of 2135 in AIIMS Patna, and Obs-Gynae up to rank of 618 in AIIMS Jodhpur. Nuclear medicine up to rank of 979 in AIIMS New Delhi. Microbiology up to rank of 29,776 in AIIMS Patna. Lab medicine up to rank of 17,461 in AIIMS New Delhi. So this was the closing rank for OBC category particularly. And I will mention you, and you should be very clear, the current protest by resident doctors which is happening at national wide level in different states at different level is not related to AIIMS. So AIIMS counseling will proceed, and they have shared their first round, second round, open round counseling schedule as well, and I have shared all those things in the last videos. So in case you are not aware about the counseling schedule, it is going to start from 10th of December, okay, and it has mock round also. Mock round is just to help you how you should do the counseling. In case you are not sure or you don't want to make any kind of mistake in the counseling and want to get the best possible AIIMS Medical College through the counseling process, then you can contact us for our paid counseling guidance. We are providing you paid counseling guidance in the minimal charge, and once I tell you that you will be able to get particular branch, you will be sure that you get that branch in the round 1, round 2, open round, or the further offline round. So the OBC EWS reservation matter is particularly for all India quota 50% in UG and PG counseling. Last year also there was OBC, EWS, SC, ST, PWD reservation applicable in AIMS counseling, and this year it will follow without any change. So the Supreme Court decision regarding OBC EWS reservation, which is still on hold, and the next hearing is scheduled to happen on 6th of January, will not hamper AIMS counseling procedure, AIMS counseling proceeding. So without a shadow of doubt, you must proceed with AIMS counseling. At the same time, you need to analyze for your NEET PG rank. If a better option is possible, then you have to decide whether to go for AIMS or whether to go wait for NEET PG counseling, and which one to take. You have to make the decision wisely and timely in order to avoid forfeiting. You avoid getting the amount forfeited. Once you get the seat and you don't join, you have the risk to get your 3 lakhs of security deposit forfeited. So you have to take a wise decision. In case you are not sure about that decision, you can contact NEET Mentor team, and we would love to help you in getting your counseling architect completely designed, and which way you should go, what are all the possibilities, and all such things. Okay, so with this information, I'm going to conclude this video, and we will meet again with some other important information in upcoming videos. So thanks for watching and have a great day.